channel. If you've never been here before, special welcome to you. Today I'm going to be doing an eye look. This is not a Halloween tutorial or anything like that. I'm just going to do an eye look and then put on some lipstick and all that stuff. So let me grab my brushes and my favorite brush holder. I love this thing. Love this thing. It is absolutely amazing. Okay. I just need to make room for everything. I have too much stuff on my table. Okay. So I have 3 palettes. I don't know if I'm going to need these or not. I have the 1-Up palette by Lethal Cosmetics. If you look, the screen changes to 1-Up and then the high scores. There's this really pretty like pink shade right here. I might use it, I might not. I got the Sugar Crystals palette out from Violet Voss. Mine is Tore Up. I got it out for the purple right here for my inner corner and my lower lash line. And then I got out some singles. I haven't done this in a minute. I got a new, well, yeah, I have. I do it all the time. What am I talking about? Okay, let's see if I can do this without killing my nails. This one is by Give Me Glow, and this is Electric Purple. I'm trying to do this without hurting it. Okay, and then from Menagerie, we have, what color are you? Normal. Is it normal or nocturnal? Nocturnal. Okay, and this is a little duochrome. And then I have one more that I might touch into, and this is also by Give Me Glow. It's called Jellyfish. This, to me, looks purple when I look at it. But when you look in the camera, it's really, really pink. So I don't know if I'll be using that. We'll figure it out. If I use anything different than that, I'll let you guys know what it is after I'm done with the look. So I'm going to grab this brush. This is a Brian Gotcha. I have Bugatti. I don't know. Bugatti? I don't know. It's a concealer and concealer in another language. That's what it's actually called. So I'm going to dip into that purple, the matte purple that I showed you guys. I'm going to go over my crease, which what I had on earlier stained my eyes a little bit. So if they look a little funny, that's why. I got to be careful with this. I don't really remember how pigmented these shadows are. So I have to be careful. Because the ones I've been using lately are all duochromes, and this is one of my mattes. So I haven't used Give Me Glow's matte formula in a long time. Yeah, I got a shadow. I actually got quite a few things. I'm going to do a haul, I think, when I finish this video. I got quite a few things in the mail. I got some indie things, some high-end things, some drugstore things, a little bit of everything. And I'm very, very excited about all of it. So I will have that video coming up soon. I want to talk to you guys. Actually, I'm going to put that video up tomorrow. This video is going up tonight. That's just going to have to be the way it is. Tomorrow should start the beginning of the giveaway. I don't have the rules right in front of me right now, but the rules are the same as they always are. And I apologize for not being able to do international shipping. I just can't afford it. With everything going the way it's going in this world right now, I can't do it. Okay. I grabbed a LaRouche concealer brush. I like these, apparently. And I'm going to go into that shade from Menagerie. This duochrome right here, the small one. It's the only small one in this palette. I gotta be careful, it's really soft. Oh, wow. Beautiful. I got some fallout, but it is beautiful. It is like a purple to blue shift, but it is just gorgeous. Okay, basically, like I said, I don't like using eye primers anymore. I have a ton of them. I actually need to look and see what's used and what's not. And if it's not used, I need to put it in a giveaway so somebody gets use out of it. Because I'm sick of all this stuff sitting around and not getting used. I have a question. And I've asked this before, but I really want somebody to answer me back at some point. If I were to make a Mercari account, I have a Poshmark account. I'm not really too huge on, I'm not really too huge on Poshmark. But, Mercari, I've heard, is a lot easier to deal with. Like, you can do surprise mystery boxes and things like that, and you can't do that on Poshmark. Or at least you couldn't do that on Poshmark. Okay. This is so freaking pretty. Alright. Give me this. Okay. I gotta get this color out. Hopefully, I got it. I think I got it. I think I got it. This is also from Give Me Glow. This is Ultraviolet. And I put this in my outer corner. Don't know if you can really... Yeah, you can tell. Okay. So, that is a couple of my singles. I need to move that new duochrome single to one of my duochrome palettes, but my one duochrome palette is a disaster right now. So okay, I'm gonna go into this Violet Voss thing, and we're just gonna put this up here, and then this up here. I think I went a little too high with the eyeshadow, but it's okay. The light purple actually balances it out. So I'm going to do it to both eyes. Why not? I'm like so stressed out. I had to go to a funeral today. There's been so much sickness, death, so much going on around me. I honestly, like, my depression and my anxiety are so high. I'm like trying to film as much as I can, but sometimes I feel like I don't have enough content to film. When before, like, things got rough, I would make time. Like, it didn't matter if I was busy. I would sit down and I would make my videos, period. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Snapscara, or what is this one? Full Frontal. Okay, I knew it was something. Couldn't remember. Okay. So, yeah, but the giveaway is going to start tomorrow. So hopefully you guys will watch this before then. But even if you don't, it's okay. Let me get back into the rules a little bit. I can obviously stop the giveaway at any point in time for any reason. I just say that to cover my butt, because I don't want to say, oh, I was going to send somebody out a palette, but I went into the hospital, and, you know, I don't want to have like a relative take somebody's package to the post office or something. I know it sounds stupid and probably like pointless, but it actually means something to me. So I have this little Sephora lipstick that is the prettiest shade of purple. Okay, there goes that. I do need to do one more thing. Let me put this up here. I don't want it to fall or anything. There we go. Okay, let me put some eyeliner on if I can. Okay, so there's that. This isn't a very pigmented thing unless it's super sharp, but it's metallic and it does the job. So, I guess considering this is like for Halloween, it is a little spooky of a look. I mean, I'm not saying anything crazy, but, you know, I love my crazy lipstick around Halloween. I have so much fun with it. I really do. So, anyway, with the video, you have to be subscribed. You have to comment to every video I put up over the course of now until November 1st. If you don't post, you just don't get an entry for that day. If you post every day, you get a post for every day. You just want to enter one time, that's fine with me. I keep it all written down, all charted out every single day. I mark things down, like I'm on it. So, and I check my comments in the studio to make sure that I didn't miss anything. So, be subscribed. What was I just saying I checked? I hate this. My memory is so terrible whenever I get frustrated and I'm upset. But, okay, you must be subscribed. You have to comment on each video that you wish to comment on. You will get one entry per video, per comment. Like, you can leave a comment in every video, but you can't, like, if you leave 3 or 4 comments in one video, you only get one entry. The other thing is subscribe. Oh, you have to like the video or hate it. I don't care. Like, if you don't like it, you don't like it. Just let me know one way or the other. That's all I need and all I want. And then normally what I will do is I will pick an emoji for the day. And it can be like Halloween stuff. And you can put up like a jack-o'-lantern or a bat or something like that. Or I could say flowers and you put up a tulip or whatever. That's normally the way I enter you. The only thing is you don't know where in the video I'm going to say it. So you kind of have to watch the whole video. Sorry about that, but it's just the way it is. Like, if I do it at the very beginning, I don't expect you guys to hang around the whole time, but I would like it if you guys watch my videos, like, throughout. So, what else is there? Oh, if I forget to mention something in a video to tell you what to do, like to put such emoji in the comments or write a certain word in the comments, if I forget to do that while I'm filming, look in the description box. There will be a thing in there above my IG and my email that tells you what to do for that day. So please pay attention to that, because a lot of people get gypped out of entries just because of things like that. So there's that. And then I'm trying to think what else there is. Like I said, it ends on the 31st technically, and then I will announce the winner on November 1st. It ends at midnight on October 31st, and then on November 1st I'll pick a winner out of how many times you have done things. And if there's like a tie, I go back and check things out. I look at my analytics. There's a whole bunch of stuff that goes into it, trust me. So yeah, there's that. And then I think there's another thing or two, but I'm just not thinking of them right now. So I want to use this topper shade real quick because I'm just really curious what it's. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Okay, I just found a new favorite color. Okay, but I know there's another rule and I can't remember it right now, but I will let you know. And that is about it for today. So thank you for being here with me while I did the rest of my makeup, and I did my eyes and put my pretty purple lipstick on. I got it. Watch my my new video tomorrow, my haul video, that will tell you what emoji to put up and all that stuff. Look at the lipstick I got. I was blown away by how beautiful it is, but it's out there. Even for me, it's out there. So I can't wait till you guys see it. But anyway, please come and watch my haul tomorrow. Like I said, it's drugstore, high-end, and indie. So it's an awesome haul. I think that's about it. So I'm going to get going. I appreciate and love each and every one of you, wherever you are, whatever time of day it is. I hope you're having a great one, and I will talk to you very, very soon. All right, guys. Bye.